second year I'm here, so thank you so much for inviting me again. Had an opportunity about it. The first observation is that the campaigns this year definitely better looking. And there was a lot more cohesion in the thought that is put behind. And as Mr. Kashyap pointed out a few things, I guess I spoke to Piyush. Maybe in a longish session, I could share it with you. But yes, in a few things that kind of occur to you, which you need to be careful of. When I entered, I was told that this is mini Blackpink. And I said, okay, why mini? It's because it's easier to carry. So I thought that maybe that then is the premise of the entire product range, and hence, the utility to the customer. That instead of carrying large handbags, you can carry it in a small handbag and you can carry it anywhere. Which means this becomes an anytime, anywhere product. You don't have to go back home to apply makeup. You can do it, whenever you're in front of a mirror. Then I was told, as I started seeing the campaigns, there was something about, you don't have to spend much time doing it. So in a way, of course, it's a small product, you can carry it, so it becomes an anytime product. So again, I was looking at a different kind of campaign. Then, in terms of look, yes, all the girls were in black dresses. So there was a cohesion in look, but no cohesion in thought. For example, your TVC ended with the last frame saying lasts up to 16 hours. Right? I noticed that. I said, then that is the third promise you're making me. And if it lasts up to 16 hours, then the girls don't need to put makeup. Subah ko lagaya to bhul jao. Agle din raat mein lagana, right? After 16 hours. So that was the thing. And also I need to know if the girls were bunking, what was the Chakya doing bunking here? Right? So I don't wish to nitpick. All I want to say is that these are little things. So cohesion in terms of thought, maybe that will be looked at. But all in all, a great effort. The art was really good this time. Fabulous art. Whosoever did it, very good photography. So kudos, I did ask you a few names. I guess
art is Ashish from animation.
Okay, Ashish from animation, take a bow. Because the camera and Reshu, yeah, that's another name I asked about.
And the copy is Priyanka.
And yeah, good copy. Surprisingly, no guy put his hand up to write this copy. That I have 26 shades of lipstick and whatever. But you should do that if you want to get into advertising. I can't even tell you what other products I've written for. Okay? So, great effort. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'd like to have a session with you whenever you and Murthy sir, forth the time. So thank you for having me here.